Hello, Calgary Catholic. Brian Zumlis, your Chief Superintendent here. Today I'm joined with Dr. Lynn Leslie, who is the principal of St. Mark Elementary School. And this has been a glorious day as all of the students, staff, parents, special guests, including Bishop McGrattan, came together to bless this newly renovated school. And so, Dr. Leslie, can you please tell me about your newly renovated school? Like, what features were renovated in this building?
Yeah, well, honestly, it didn't feel like a renovation. It really does feel like a complete new build. And there is everything from when you walk in the foyer, you have these beautiful chandeliers, going into the classrooms, having large windows with natural light being let in, and then having one of our special education classes where it really is adapted for sensory opportunities to be able to program more appropriately for kids. So there's just so many. And of course, there was a brand new playground built as well.
A new playground, fantastic. And even here in the gymnasium, brand new gym floors, fresh paint. I think we have a new air ventilation system in here as well. So this is just a beautiful building. But what makes a school even more special than the building itself, Dr. Leslie?
Easy, it's the students. They, every day when we come into the building and we see them and they light up and we light up, really that's what it's about. As I was talking to some people earlier today, I said one of the most amazing thing about our school also though is our staff and the fact that they are committed. They're so committed to the students and to their success, not only their academic success, but their spiritual success and wellness is connected to that. And they really do know our students. We have a lot of students, our English language learners, about 80% of our students. And the staff here are committed to those kids to be able to help to make them take their next steps of learning.
I was so impressed with the students that I saw today, the wee little ones, kindergarten, grade 1, paying attention and listening to the whole presentation. And I invite anyone who's interested in Catholic education, please visit your nearest community Catholic school and seek out registration. Thank you for all of the hard work today. I wish you and your school the best of luck. God bless and peace.
Thank you very much.